In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. By opening Recorder app and selecting Settings in the pop-up. Now click on this gray sweater next to Allow access to manage all files and tap on the Back button. Then click on Standard and select the best mode for your current recording, Standard, Meeting or Interview. I will go with Meeting. Before starting your recording, tap on those three dots at the top right corner of this little recording section. Select Settings and adjust those two options however you wish to. When you finished, go back and finally hit this red button to start your recording. If you never used it before though, you need to select while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. Then allow in the other one. As you can see, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to the same red button. If you want to delete it right away, just click on the top left corner of it. Click on Leave and Discard. And to start a new one, just tap on the same red button. To add a bookmark, select this left one with a flag. And to add a photo bookmark, click on this one on the right with a camera. Now take a picture. If you wish to get rid of it, select this X. And in order to save it, tap on the check mark. Finally, if you want to end your recording and save it, you can pause it before if you wish to, or not at all, and click on this check mark at the top right corner. Then name it and hit save. As you can see, after all that, my recording was finally created. If you wish to play it, click on it and then select Play button. If you wish to get rid of it though, you can always do that by holding it, clicking on Delete option at the bottom and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!